Hello everyone, most welcome to the another session of Step Ahead YouTube channel. So today we will talk about another very good opportunity, that is Kakatiya Governance Fellowship by Government of Telangana. So Planning Department of Government of Telangana has launched this fellowship. इस फेलोशिप के अंतर्गत क्या डिटेल्स हैं उसके बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे. द लास्ट डेट ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन इज 10th अप्रैल 2022. सो बेसिकली 10th अप्रैल से पहले आपको अप्लाई कर देना है. सो कमिंग टू द पार्ट, तेलंगाना 2014 में एक स्टेट बना था. फेलोशिप का जो स्ट्रक्चर है दैट इज बेसिकली दे आर गोइंग टू रिक्रूट द फेलोज थ्रू द रिगरस सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. They are going to provide them periodic training for developing their skills. Regular feedback will be provided and they will be exposed to the wide range of government issues. Right? There will be a 2 years project. You will be hired for 2 years and that can be extended for up to 4 years. There will be the role of fellow 4 positions and 1 position for senior fellow. However, this can be changed, like it can be vary, it can increase or decrease, right? So these fellows are going to play a significant role, right? So this planning department is hiring these fellows to just going to the ground, collecting the data, analyzing, monitoring, and just keeping an eye on what other projects are going on and how can they improve all the ecosystem. What is the job description? So fellow has to be undertake a specific project like regular and independent data collection of key outcomes and process across multiple sector, right? Improving quality and existing data, leveraging administrative and outcome data to improve performance, strategic budgeting and planning to improve the quality of public expenditure, creating evidence-based policy roadmaps for reform. Senior fellow, the role will be little bit higher, mainly focus on policy and analytical communication, like drafting, editing policies, analyzing data, capturing insights, drafting short notes, creating, curating content for planning department website, and as per the demand, managing a team of 2-3 fellows. So as per the work demand, these 3-4 fellows will be managed by the senior fellow, right? So this document I will share it with you on our Telegram channel. So you can just find it and read it in the detail. Qualifications is cutoff age is 32 years on 10th April, right? For senior fellows is 40 years on 10th April. So this is age, education, postgraduate degree or higher from a premier education institute in policy relevant subject, public policy, economics, development study, business management, law, HR, accounting. In exceptional cases, graduate degree holder may be considered. Candidates with academic and practical experience in technology, data management, analysis are also encouraged to apply. So if you are graduate or postgraduate, both can apply. Or if you are postgraduate and you have a higher degree from a premier education institute in these different areas, you can apply, right? So they are preferably taking postgraduate degree, but exceptional cases graduate degree holder also can be considered. So both can apply. Professional experience, so fellow position के लिए they require at least 2 years of full-time work experience. But for the senior fellow position, they require at least 4 years of full-time work experience post their graduation, right? With some exposure to handling small teams. Preference will be given to the candidate who possesses experience of working on data visualization, tools like Tableau, generating heat maps, using applications like QGIS, scripting data. So the preference will be given, right? If you know this software, please mention in the application form. So technical and analytical skills are most important skills for these. Knowledge of Telugu, because you are going to work in Telangana. So knowledge of Telugu is advantage, but not mandatory, right? If you don't know the language, you can also apply. Terms of conditions are basically here. For the 2 years, extendable another term for the another 2 year will be there. So you will be, the amount for fellow is to 80,000 to 1 lakh per month fellow, depending on your qualification and experience. And for the senior fellow, 1,25,000 to 1,50,000 per month, right? Depending on qualification and experience. Then there will be annual performance increment. Like हर साल आपको ये इंक्रीमेंट होगा. सेटिस्फैक्ट्री अगर है तो 7.5, गुड है तो 10%, आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस आपका है तो 15% इंक्रीमेंट ईयर ऑन ईयर, right? So other are the like basic details. Timelines is 10th April is the last date. Interview call or shortlisted will be on 16th April. Interview for shortlisted candidate on 18 to 25. Announcement of selected candidate 7th May. Confirmation of acceptance 15. Expected joining date 15 June. So they have very strict deadline. Cut to cut deadline they are going to post. See, all link will be available in the description. Right. So this is the website link. If you open this website, this is the website. If any changes will be made, the detail will be available here. Right. This is the link for your registration, your interest. This is not application form. Try to understand that. Then application process is basically your CV. They require a policy brief in 1500 words. Right. And then they require policy presentation. Right. For the fellow, I'm talking about for fellow, CV, policy brief, policy presentation. For senior fellow, CV, policy and analytical communication test. First is drafting an op-ed, opinion editorial, creating a presentation, section 2. Then management brief covering the following. This has been given, right? So you will be given this document in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. The applicant should fill the relevant application form as per link provided below. So these are the links. This is for fellow position. This is for senior fellow position. So if you go to the fellow position, you will be given this application form, right? So you will be like attaching your assignment, attaching your CV and putting it here. So the document link, so the website link is in the description. And the document link is here as well. Notification for recruitment of fellow under Kaktiya Governance Fellowship, right? You can download this document from here as well and keep checking this website, right? So you can take it from here. Also, you can take it from our Telegram channel. Okay. So this is link for fellow, senior fellow. Coming to the last, if you have any query, they have given the email ID, right? So they have just sharing other information. Like to facilitate better understanding of state, you can just go to the socio-economic outlook website of planning, finance and line department, programmatic website, database, government orders, RBI handbooks, the resources like to read. Selection process basically application shortlist hoga on the basis of application filled. Government of Telangana reserve the right to keep so then shortlisted applicant will be invited for interview and then final list will be released. Okay. Offer appointment will be conditional upon producing graduation certificate, transcript, experience certificate, everything. You need to just submit the documents. Okay. So this is a very good opportunity, I think, but this is they have a very rigorous selection process. You need to write it upon different topics while submitting the application. Write it in the better if you have interest on policy, data analysis, analytics, then I think definitely you should go for it. Okay. So this document is very important. Go through this document, the entire notification. The notification link, as I said, on this website. Website is tsdps.telangana.gov.in or Planning Department Telangana of Government of Telangana. You will find it here, or you will find the this fellowship group of Step Ahead on the Telegram. Right. So thank you so much. I think before 10th April. This is the basic requirement for this fellowship. All the best. If you need any help for any support, you can reach out to the Step Ahead team anytime. We will be happy for supporting to you. Keep just be healthy, step ahead and stay healthy. Thank you so much.